Oh my gosh, guys. Look what I have right here. Jurassic World Captivz color change. Yes, we are now entering the era of color change. New toy monster, Epic Evolution is here. Let's check out what's in this box. Oh my gosh. Check this out. Now your favorite Pop and Luck dinos can color change in hot and in cold water. How cool is this? Oh my gosh. Thank you so much to Toy Monster for sending all of these amazing eggs to unbox for free. Oh my gosh, check out the colors of these eggs. We got a red one, a green one. What else is in here? Oh, we got a golden one. Gosh, got these cool cups. I wonder if these color change too. They have to since they're orange. We got to see. Oh, Fun Dip. And this cool postcard, the giant threat Gigantosaurus. Oh, this is so cool. Let's get this party started. Thank you so much to Toy Monster International. Let's just start unboxing them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I opened up the first egg in a short, and as you can see, the color change is unbelievable. We also have this color change slime. When it's warmed up, it turns yellow. And then we have this amazing Stegosaurus. In order to color change, you have to change it from hot, and then you could change it back to with cold. Put it in hot water, and then we have this beautiful vibrant color. Then you could put cold water, and now it goes back to the original color. How cool is this? Let's open up another one. Please don't forget to like this video, and please subscribe to all of my social media at Play, Live, Repeat. That'd be awesome. The new Jurassic World Color Change Epic Evolution, they're available now exclusively at Walmart. Perfect gift. I hope this is not another Stegosaurus. Doesn't look like it. Oh my gosh, sweet. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we got the Tyrannosaurus Rex. I love these hollow cards too. They're so cool. Here's its body with its little arms and that awesome pop and lock design. These are way thicker than usual. I love the detail on them. Looks so cool. Let's check out the color change of our T-Rex. Looks absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is amazing. Such a great color change. And it's literally changing before our eyes. Now I'm just going to put it in cold water. And it's back to what it was before. How cool is this? Got that slime. And again, we have this lava type slime that changes color with heat. And when it's cooled off, it stays this rich, beautiful color. I opened up another figure, and it was in a shorts, and I got, of course, the Gigantosaurus. This is such a cool card, and let's check out the color change. Put it in hot water. And it comes out like a nice, like dull color. Ice cold water, and you could change it back to its original color. Let's drop it in, and it's nice and vibrant again. Look how beautiful that is. Now, there isn't a checklist for this. However, I'm pretty sure they're going to have the original ones that they came out with. So I'm sure we're going to see a bunch of different varieties of dinosaurs for this new Epic Evolution color changing Captivz. Again, available only at Walmart. Let's open up another one. Cool. It's like two-tone colored egg. It's red at the top, green at the bottom. So cool. Now, all of the slime colors are the same. They are like a reddish orange lava when cold, and when you're playing with it for a long time, the heat from your hands will turn it yellow, like a nice golden yellow. Okay, let's see what's in the next one. Ooh, doggin. All right, so we have a Carnotaurus. Fun to collect, and these are exclusive to Walmart. So you're gonna get these color change ones at Walmart. Check out the color change on this. So cool. Let's change it back. Ice water. Whoa, that looks awesome. I love it. Looks so cool. You want to make them color change?
Yes, 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 yes.
Hot water. Wow. And now cold.
The cream's amazing.
Yeah, this one, right? The Dinosaurs. Oh. Let's put this one in here. Nice. And now, sweet. What about this little guy?
Bumpy.
Bumpy.
Bumpy?
He does look like Bumpy. Nice.
Oh, the color.
And this is color change too, but I'm just going to put it in the hot water so you can see that it turns yellow.
Yep.
And then you can dry it out and it doesn't like stay wet. It's pretty awesome slimy.
I made it yellow by hand.
You did.
It's a hot.
Color change cup. I have one more to open, but I'm going to save it for my boys. I feel like I should have saved a couple more for my boys, but I got so excited. So make sure you stay tuned for that short. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the brand new Jurassic World Captivz color change figures. I think they are so amazing. Some are more detailed than others. These look like these are from like the baby line. I didn't really open many of the hatchlings, but I really love the hatchling look, but I love these ultra detailed figures of the Carnotaurus and the Gigantosaurus. They look so super cool. So stay tuned for more videos featuring Jurassic World's Captivz in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to Toy Monster for sending me in advance copies of all of these Jurassic World Epic Evolutions. They are so super cool.